Hey guys, Ralph's Automotive. Tonight I'm going to have a real quick video about the rods for the harmonic balancer puller. I think what's pictured there is commonly referred to as a Chrysler harmonic balancer puller, but anyway, they're used on a lot of the other vehicles, including I use my old style on the newer model LS GM engines. And the problem you're going to run into, if you got one like mine, I've only got two rods. I've only ever had two rods with mine, and I had a hard time finding replacement rods or get rods in general. I did a little research. I said to myself, well, I can make them, not a big deal. And I did. I used them. They work. Nothing scientific. And you guys do comments about, oh, that's not how you do it and whatever. Don't care. What I've done works. I don't care about the rest of it. Like I said, again, what I've done works fine. I have used them. I'm going to use them again. Whatever you want to do. I'm just trying to give you a cheaper alternative. If you got bent, broken rods, here we go. Okay, anyway. Option is go to McMaster Car. Type in drill rod or rods, whatever. What you're looking for is a multi-purpose 01 tool steel rod. Okay, go on down. The rods that come in these kits are 5/16, so you're looking for 312/5 right here, commonly referred to as 5/16. As you can see, they have got them in 3 and 6 foot lengths. All you got to do is select the quantity you want in 3 foot and add your order. They're $6.41. Shipping about $5 to $10 depending on where you live. Well, there you go. You're about, we'll call it $15 in the hole there, and you get 3 foot of the rod, and you can cut anything you want out of it. You can get the lengths that you want out of it. I think the LS engine has to have, I think it's about an 8-inch rod or something like that, but not for sure about it. Doesn't matter anyway. You'll know that when you run across that. You'll be your own judge. Okay, guys, one thing that I want to add to this, I haven't said that yet. These drill rods here, they're tool steel. They have a maximum hardness of C65 Rockwell. That is after they've been heat treated. Now these rods have actually been softened. They took them down to Rockwell B90. If you look at the B90 chart, it's about 160 or 170 Bernal. They are definitely harder than a regular piece of steel. They do work as is, although the video I'm going to show you right behind here is I'm just going to heat them until they're about cherry red. And then this one here I did in water. I wanted to try that because the last time I did it in oil, and oil is kind of smoky and smells everything up. I didn't want to do that this time. I want to try water. Either way, works. It should work fine.